Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I am sharing the recipe of Baisani Roti, gram flour flatbread. When life throws you a rainy day, play in the puddle and make yummy food. And parathas make any day even better. So on this beautiful rainy day, I made Baisani Paratha and I served it with garlic chutney and yogurt dip. So let's go and see what you need to make this yummy recipe. Things you need for this Baisani Paratha will be: I have some salt, turmeric powder, some crushed red chilies, then I have coarsely crushed coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Then I have green chili chopped, but I'm skipping it today because I'm making for kids. Chopped onions, chopped cilantro, and some butter. And then I have some whole wheat flour and of course gram flour. When I made these kind of roti, I add a little bit of a whole wheat flour. It helps you hold the dough. So let's go and cook it. So first, in a stand mixture with the dough attached, I add both of the flours, then all the seasonings: salt, red crushed pepper, coriander, cilantro, onions, and turmeric. And then with the help of room temperature water, I started mixing it until it forms a hard dough. The dough should not be sticky. When you touch the dough, it should be soft but not sticky. Now let it rest for at least an hour. Until then, let's make some garlic chutney. For that, in a pan, heat some oil, then add garlic paste and let it cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes until it started boiling. Then add red chili powder, salt, and then stir and cook until oil separates. Keep stirring. There's a chance that you can burn red chilies and all the masalas. And then I will leave all the ingredients on my webpage, but for this chutney you can adjust according to your taste buds. Now for the parathas, make the balls out of your dough and then take one dough ball, flatten out with the help of dry flour, and then try to flatten out the edges with the help of your thumb as much as you can. Now transfer it onto a working surface, sprinkle some dry flour and start rolling. Now it depends how thick you want your paratha. I like a little thinner because it turned out to be a crispy paratha. And if it drip a little because it has big chunks of onions and other stuff, just fix it with the help of your hand. Then transfer it onto a hot griddle and let it cook from one side. Your heat should be medium to high. So when it started looking a little cooked from the bottom and you see some bubbles on top, it's time to flip your roti. Right now it's a roti, but if you want to make it a paratha, you just spread some oil on one side, flip, and then some more oil on the other side. So you can see right now it's getting a little puffy. That means it's cooking from the other side. And now you can see it's already cooked. Now just press the edges now with the help of tong, and it depends again how much crispier you want your paratha. And then if you get your desired color, just take it out and put it on top of your other cooked pile of parathas. So here's my Baisani Paratha ready to eat. As I already mentioned, I serve it with garlic chutney and a yogurt dip. It was a request from a friend. And if you guys try this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you guys. And if you want to learn any other recipe, please leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And I'll see you with yet another episode of morEwish Cuisine with another yummy recipe. Till then, Take good care of yourself. Bye bye. If you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to subscribe.